Ayesha. You are watching Learn with Ayesha. Color. One wrong. I love so many colors. Now brain. Do you know what are the primary colors? How about the rainbow colors? How many colors in rainbow? Well, we'll learn some color names today without wasting any time. Let's go. Red color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Yellow color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Blue color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Yes, you are right. Red, yellow, and blue. The primary colors, orange, green, and violet, are the secondary colors. Again, orange, green, and violet are the secondary colors. How many colors have rainbow, and what are them? There are 7 colors in rainbow. These are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. There are 7 colors here. I repeat, there are 7 colors in the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Now let's mix some colors. Red and yellow makes orange. Red and yellow makes orange. Red and blue makes purple. Blue and yellow makes green. Blue and green makes cyan. Blue and red makes magenta. Blue and red makes magenta. Red and white makes pink. Black and white make gray. Now learn some colors named in Bengali. It's red, not red. It's red. Red mane lal. Now blue. Blue mane neel. I love blue. Now green. Green mane shobuj. Now yellow. Yellow means hulud. I love yellow. Come to the lovely color. It's pink. Pink mane golapi. My glass is also pink. Brown. Badami. How about the white? White mane shada. Next, black. Black mane kalo. It's gray. Gray mane dusho. Now my favorite color, purple. Purple mane ratto borno. It's cyan. It's sky blue. Akashi color. Now magenta. Magenta mane halka beguni. It's golden. My shoes is golden too. Your body is golden too, Daddy. I have golden on my hand. Golden mane shunari. It's aqua. It's indigo.